Well, hello there. I'm Marie with WTI, and they say that diamonds are a girl's best friend. So, meet your best friend's best friend. This jewelry and makeup armoire by YITAHOME is just perfect for my needs and wants. Its standout feature to me is how easy it is to organize my bling and makeup. Now, I'm a makeup artist, so I have a lot of makeup and bling, and yet it's all the space I need to not just organize it, but it's thoughtfully designed with these narrow shelves so I can see everything I have in them at just a glance. Also, look at this gorgeous soft felt lining to keep all my best friends in their best condition. And don't panic if you have chunky jewelry. I found that just tweaking where I put things allowed me to easily store all the things I owned, and that pouch is also really helpful to put things that are a little awkward and don't fit anywhere else there or on a shelf. The shelves in the back are super handy. Now personally, I use them to hold my purses, but they're also really cute if you want to use them as a decor piece as well. I really appreciate that it locks for the little people and pets in your life so that you don't have to worry about their safety. So as you can see, it's just perfect for me. And I think it might be for you too. But that's just my point of view.